Today's lesson is about Sine Law. In any triangle ABC with the sides A, B, and C units in length, and opposite angles A, B, and C respectively, shown in this diagram. Write down the three formulas of the area of the triangle above. We know the area of a triangle that is 1/2 AB sin C. So we can write down that it's 1/2 AB sin C. Also, I can write down 1/2 AC sin B. Or I can write down 1/2 BC sin A. For number 2, for the equation above, make it divided by 1/2 ABC and find the new equation. I divided by 1/2 ABC. Then I reduce. Then I organize. I will get this. Sin C over C equals sin B over B equals sin A over A. Or I can flip like A over sin A equals B over sin B, then equals C over sin C. We call this, it's a Sine Law. So for any triangle, we can write down A over sin A equals B over sin B equals C over sin C. This is always true. Here is a Sine Law. For any triangle ABC, A over sin A equals B over sin B equals C over sin C. Let's analyze in what situation we got to use Sine Law. We have A over sin A equals B over sin B. This AB is the size, so let me label as 2S. Look at the bottom. For this capital AB, that is the angle. So for the Sine Law, we are dealing with two sides and two angles. Let's compare to cosine law. For the cosine law, remember we have A squared equals B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cosine A. So for this A, it's an included angle. When you have an included angle, or you are looking for included angle, then you got to use cosine law. But for Sine Law, make sure angle A or angle B, they are not included angle. So in what situation you got to use Sine Law, you can check whether you have an included angle. If no included angle, then you got to use Sine Law. What's included angle? Included angle are those angles whose sides are known. For example, if I know this is A is 10 and C is 9, then this B we call is an included angle. Since for this size we don't know, therefore this C are not included angle. For this C are not included angle. When you're working on any triangle, it's very important for you to decide which law you got to use. Write down Sine Law according to the given diagram. For this triangle DEF, we will label the side. This one is D. Corresponding to this angle E is E here. Corresponding to this angle F, this is F. So we can write down the sine law like this. D over sine D. Just corresponding angle, corresponding size. So we have E over sine E equals F over sine F. Let's go to example. Find the length of EF. That's basically it's D here. We need to figure out the corresponding angle to this EF will be angle D. As we know, the sum of all angles in a triangle is 180. Therefore, for this angle D equals 180 degree minus 40 minus 19 degree. So you get the 121 degree. We will label here as 121 degree. Then we know for this 16 corresponding angle is 19 degree. Therefore, we can write down the sine law. That is D over sine 121 degree equals 16 over sine 19 degree. Then we do cross multiply. D equals the same line with this variable D will go to denominator. So we have sine 19 degree. Top will be 16 times sine 121 degree. We will go to graphing calculator to figure this out. First of all, we will clear the memory. Second plus 712. And go to mode. Make sure change into degree. Then quit. So use this alpha y equals enter. We will do 16 times sine 121 degree over sine 19 degree. Then enter. Three significant figures will be 42.1 equals 42.1. Let's go to next example. Find angle A and B. You are given this angle. Then these two sides. For this 48 degree is not included angle. Therefore, we can use sine law. For sine law, remember corresponding size over corresponding angle. So we have 63 over sine 48 degree equals 22 over sine B. Then cross multiply. The same line with the variable go to denominator. So we have sine B equals, denominator is 63. 22 times sine 48 degree. Do not rush. Put this into a calculator. We will do B equals inverse sine of this 22 times sine 48 degree over 63. We clear the memory, second plus 712. Then go to mode. Make sure the angle is in degree. So we go to second sine, alpha y equals enter. 22 times sine 48, parentheses back, over 63. Then parentheses back, enter. Your answer will be 15.0 degree. So angle B equals 15.0 degree. How to figure out the angle A? For angle A, I will use 180 degree minus 48 degree minus 15.0 degree equals 117 degree. Let's go to number 2. Find the radiance from this diagram. Let's label the radiance is R. So I will let CA equals R. Define the variable. So we have an isosceles triangle ABC. The angle A and the angle B will be equal to each other. You will use 180 degree minus 88 degree, then over 2. You will get 46 degree. So we have this angle also is 46 degree. Write down like this: angle A equals angle B equals 180 degree minus 88 degree over 2, get 46 degree. Then we will use Sine Law, because for 88 degree and 46 degree, they are not included angles. So we have R over sine 46 degree, then equals 56 over sine 88 degree. Remember corresponding sides over corresponding angle, then cross multiply. You have R equals the same line with the variable, go to denominator. So you have sine 88 degree, then 56 times sine 46 degree. We will go to calculator. So alpha y equals, enter. 56 times sine 46 over sine 88. Answer will be 40.3. So for radiance, it's 40.3.